and I've been researching into natural remedies for over 20 years. And in that time, I've helped many hundreds of people personally with gum infection and about thousands of people on the internet. But if you have got a gum infection, you need to know what are your options. Well, the first thing you could do is go to the dentist and have a thorough examination of your teeth to find out if it's your teeth that is causing your gum infection. It's highly unlikely, but it's a possibility. The second thing is to get some form of a prescription for an antibiotic, because if you're infected, you've got bacteria, germs, call them whatever, breeding in your gums. And if it's left untreated, you will lose your teeth, and you don't want that. So get an antibiotic, or you could go down the drugstore, again, explain your symptoms to them. They could give you an antibiotic or some form of a chemical mouthwash. The mouthwashes tend not to be too successful. Plus you have to keep buying them day after day. Keep swilling it, spitting it out and hoping for the best. I wouldn't recommend a mouthwash just because your teeth are too important. So, antibiotics. Well, if you take an antibiotic, you take it into your system. Now, anti means against, bio means life. So it's against, so it's something that's designed to kill life. And it will kill off the bacteria in your gums. And you think, fine, what's wrong with that? But the problem is it'll also kill off all the bacteria in your gut. And you need those bacteria in your gut to be healthy. So once it's killed them off, then you start to experience the common side effects of antibiotics, which is diarrhea, sometimes constipation, sometimes pains in your gut. But the most important thing about taking antibiotics is that they shock your immune system. And let me explain what I mean by that. Before you had this gum infection, you still had bacteria in your mouth. You've got bacteria, viruses, yeasts, molds all over your body right now as you speak, on your eyes, in your ears, everywhere. It's normal. It's normal. But your body, your immune system, just sorts it all out, keeps them all under control. There's no problem. So something's gone wrong to allow now these bacteria that are eating your gums away. You know, it starts off, your gums start to go spongy. Then you may get some blood on your teeth and they become soft. In severe cases, your gums will start to recede. And if it's left untreated, the teeth will fall out. So what's gone wrong with your immune system to allow this to happen? That's what you need to think. What's gone wrong? Are you stressed? Maybe you've been working too hard. Maybe you've just got a lot on your mind. Maybe your diet needs to be improved. But something's gone wrong some time ago to eventually lead to this, the gums infection. And many people with gum infection also suffer from some kind of itching around the backside or in the genitalia. Maybe it's a yeast infection. Sometimes they begin to itch under their arms. Sometimes the hair starts to go dry and lusterless. This is all side effects of the same problem, that the immune system is out of balance. It's weakened and it needs supporting. So that's where this remedy comes in, and it's called Gum Doctor. And I specifically designed this, working with people, showing them how to use it, adjusting the contents and the ratio of the plant extracts in it. Let me tell you what's in this. It's a 100% pure, natural remedy. And it's organic. There's no pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, and all the other toxic crap that people put out there in the environment. There's none of that. This is pure, certified organic. It's got myrrh in it, extract of myrrh. That is a very powerful natural antibiotic. You put a couple of drops on your finger and you rub it into your gums where the infection is. Then also all over the gums, then you massage it into your tongue. That kills off the bacteria. So that addresses that problem, but it doesn't go into your gut and kill everything else off, because you don't want to shock your system even more and make the problem worse. But what you then do is you put a few drops of this, and it's just a clear, silky smooth, oily liquid, very easy to use, very pleasant tasting. Anyway, you massage a few drops into the soles of your feet. People say, well, why, Joe, why do I put it in my feet? And it's because you massage it into your feet, it's rapidly absorbed into your system, and it gently encourages your immune system back towards balance, equilibrium, and health. Using it that way by killing off the bacteria with direct contact with the ingredients, but also going into the system, the gums infection will naturally go away. That's how it works. So there's your two options. There's the drug option or the natural remedy option. This natural remedy, I know it works. I've proven it to work. I've hundreds of people that I've seen, and there's thousands of customers that I've helped on the internet. And I'm saying to you, if this doesn't get rid of your gums infection, I will give you your money back. I'll say that again. If this doesn't get rid of your gums infection, I will give you your money back. And let me explain how I can make that claim. I know if you follow the instructions, say you order this today, somewhere on this site there's a picture of the gum doctor, click on the image, order it through PayPal. So if this arrives tomorrow, you rub it into your gums, you rub it into the soles of your feet, you wake up the next day and you've still got a bit of a gum infection, don't send it back. I'm not saying that. I'm saying this isn't just about treating the gums, it's treating what caused the gum infection. So that takes a little bit longer. Give it a week, because there's no problem. If you massage this stuff into your gums, you'll feel it working. It's very powerful. But the important bit is putting it on the soles of your feet. Give it a chance. Give it a week. If you're noticing an improvement, give it a month, because I'm giving you a 3-month guarantee, because I know it works. So natural remedies don't work in the same bang impact way that drugs work. And as a matter of interest, I know sometimes we all have to take drugs, but I would avoid them. Did you know in the United States alone, every year, and this is every year, between 750 and over 800,000 people die from taking safe, approved, tested drugs. 800,000. That's like a jumbo jet crashing every 4 hours right throughout the year. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be one of them. I'm not. Statistically, you're not. But they are strong. They're very powerful drugs. And you don't need them for a gums infection. This natural remedy will sort out your gums infection, and I guarantee it. So, as I say, somewhere on this page, click on the image of the remedy. Get the product, follow my instructions, and I look forward to helping you and giving you a healthy mouth again. Get you back to your old self again. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.